Hell yeah.
Go Badgers.
That's right. We got a young buck right here. He's injured. He's only a 4-pointer, but I think I'm gonna have to put him down unless we've been hit by a car. All right, here he is. That was Wisconsin 2021 gun buck. I think he's been injured for a while, unfortunately. Definitely was struck in the back legs by a car. Awesome doe. Couldn't be any happier.
Great shot, man.
Yeah, it was only like a $900 doe. I figure I'd get something with my eye.
Hey man, when you come to Iowa, that's what you're looking for, right?
Exactly what we look for when we come to Iowa.
I'm getting low on meat, and this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good for me and my family. We eat a lot of deer.
It's freaking hot. Mosquitoes are freaking terrible. Blood's about to kill me because we paddled. Mile and a third pin.
Saw the other one kind of getting sketchy, so I drew. And when he took a couple more steps, I stopped him. I was able to release an arrow. My buddy, we're about to go out and try to find this deer. There you go, good boy.
Not what we're looking for.
No. You saw 2?
Yeah, saw 2.
Oh, 3 kind of.
3.
Buckle up for safety, kids.
What's that? The cart went down.
Yeah, got a little western.
Yeah. 2 miles back still.
Yep.
Iowa, never boring. There's Eric. I'm gonna back out there. He's got the front half. I got the back half in the head.
Oh boy, there he is. There's the old man.
I can't thank you enough, man.
Yeah, freaking awesome. So.
Stupid.
Why?
You're worth it for a deer.
Bud, we're halfway to the top.
I know. It's the worst part.
Well guys, sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. Literally the biggest deer I've ever saw in my life.
Darn it, guys. Buck. Bet it on public. And he went down in the draw on the private. Can't shoot on the private, unfortunately. Dang.
Well guys, as he saw, I just shot at that buck. Check the arrow. Clean miss.
Good boy. Get it.
Good boy, man.
Guys, there he is. Sub's buck. Freaking thick 10-point buck. Absolutely awesome.
What do we have here?
Well, got a little lucky this morning.
Oh yeah, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Holy fuck.
He come through. I mean, you know where that little scrape was that you pointed out? So he come through. I was looking off this way. It would have been like my weak side. And then I'm sitting there and it must have been like, what, 15 minutes after shooting hours. And I look and he's just standing there on top of this ridge. And I was like, holy, yep, all right. Here.
Brr. 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 I'm not sure if I got a shot on camera or anything like that. I was just focused on the shot, but it's a good one. It's a good one. Freaking A. After that bad shot I made on that big one, to rebound with this. Alright guys, here he is. 11 pointer. Super nice buck, couldn't be any happier. What a season, what a season.
Nope. He's not going to take any more does to Pound Town either.